The Apocalypse AP-M61SE Midrange speakers deliver impressively strong output, with each driver comfortably handling high continuous power for demanding car audio builds. Their very high sensitivity means they get loud with relatively modest amplifier power, which is ideal for daily driving systems, as well as more serious sound pressure level setups. Mid-range clarity is a standout, with vocals, guitars, and snares cutting through the mix cleanly, so your front stage does not get lost behind heavy bass. A pressed paper cone, cloth surround, and sturdy stamped steel frame give these speakers a classic pro audio feel while holding up well to regular high-volume use. The ferrite motor and compact mounting depth make them straightforward to fit in many door and baffle locations without extensive fabrication. Overall, the Apocalypse AP-M61SE pair is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want aggressive, forward mid-range performance and roadworthy durability from their car audio system.